Wish the water temperature was a little more inviting? Feel like you're spending a fortune to keep your pool heated? Had it up to here with crummy pool covers? Hate being told you have to have a pool cover? It's time to lift the lid on the value of phenomenal quality, even if you think pool covers themselves are a hassle. Premium pool covers will transform your family's backyard life. Honestly, that's because they're an incredibly small price to pay for inviting, crystal clear water and lower energy bills. Ready to bring more warmth and protection to your pool all year round? Pool & Spa Warehouse is your chance to find the perfect pool cover from Australia's most superior brands, all so you can enjoy your pool for longer at a lower price. Boost your water temperature by up to 8 degrees Celsius. Make pool maintenance easier and quicker. And enjoy the unwavering quality of 100% Australian-made products. Stop settling for lackluster water, uninviting temperatures, and annoying pool covers. Instead, put your pool in the hands of Australia's leading pool and spa equipment specialists. Get superior pool covers from top brands at the best prices, all delivered with world-class service. Visit poolandspawarehouse.com.au to unlock an extra layer of comfort and protection.